Hello everyone! Today, I'll be showing you around Sellitpics' dashboard. Let's get started. When you log into your Sellitpics installation, you will be greeted by your dashboard. And there's an icon here where you can watch all our tutorial videos about Sellitpics. Next, you will see the total numbers of images generated, total number of campaigns. You'll also see the private templates or public templates. And you will see the total user credit here. Then you will see all your campaign details presented by a graph. You will see the links generated and opened. The red bar represents the links opened. Hover over your mouse onto each bar to see more details, like the campaign title and how many links opened. And you can also do that on the links generated. And on the other side, you will see the details of date-wise campaign images generated, again presented by a graph. Hover over to the dots to see more details, like the dates and how many links generated. Next, you will see the list of all your campaigns. You can click on View All to see it all. Your campaigns are listed by campaign name, the link generated count, and action button to view it. First, let's click on View All. Here you will see all your campaigns, where you can edit or delete. Next, if you want to see the counts of the link generated by a campaign, just click on the number. And here's your check image generate requests here. As you can see, it is filtered on RJ campaign. It is showing 1 to 15 of 34 entries, and it's filtered from 114 total entries. Next, let's take a look at this specific campaign. In this section, you can edit your campaign. Here you will see the variables: live preview, landing page setting, content setting, thumbnail setting, and buttons to generate different images for sharing, social, URL, or landing pages. Next, we have the request section. Again, it is listed by request type with its request link and request clicked. If you want to take a look at all of them, just click on View All. Then it will show you 1 to 15 out of all your entries. You can click here by page. Then, just click on the link to visit it. And that is what you have on the Sellitpics dashboard. You can create your campaigns on 3 ways. Here in the campaign section, your template section, and on template section. Just click on the Create Campaign button. Then you can go ahead and create your campaign name. Then click on Add Campaign button. Now here's the section where you can edit your campaign details. First, you have the variables. You can add in the first name here, and you will immediately see it on the live preview beside it. Now, if you want to add another variable, just click on Add Variable button. For example, I want to add in a last name variable. I'll just select it here and add the value here. After that, click on the Copy button. What you'll need to do is paste it here on the content setting after the first name variable. Now, if you want to delete it, you can click Delete button here, but it will show the last name variable on the live preview because you will have to remove it on your content setting. Once it is removed, you will not see it on the live preview. Speaking of your content setting, you have here a selection of fonts, text color, font size, line height, and your offsets. If you want to reset your changes, just click on Reset All Settings of the HTML editor. Next, you have your thumbnail setting. You can add your thumbnail title here, and you will see it below your image. And for your landing page setting, enter in your landing page URL here. Then click on the Update button. Now going back to your thumbnail setting, you can choose the background image. Just click on this button, and we have a variety of background image you can choose from. Just click on the Change button. Then you will automatically see it on the live preview. From here, you can go ahead and modify your text. And don't forget to update your campaign. Now going back to the campaign section, you will now see it was added here. If you want to search for a campaign specifically, you can just type in the campaign name on the search bar. And for your convenience, we have a button here to our tutorial videos for Sellitpics. So if you ever need help on that, just click on this button. And from here, you can further edit your template or delete your template. Now let's edit some more. If in case you have your own image, you can upload it here. Just click on the Upload button, choose your file, then it will be added to your live preview. Once again, you can modify your text depending on your liking. Just don't forget to update your campaign. Now you can share your image in many ways. First, you can generate image for sharing. Just click on the Generate button, then just copy this one, add another tab, and this is how your image turned out. You can change the first name here. Then again, update your campaign, and if you generate another link and view it, you will then see the updated one. Now you can also generate a URL or a link for social. Again, just click on the Generate button, copy it, and send it to your social media accounts. And see here, they will see your image and your thumbnail title. And if they click on it, they will be redirected to your landing page URL that you have added here. And you can send this link to any other social media accounts. Next, you can also generate dynamic image URL for email and landing pages. Just click on the Generate button, copy this link, and you can send it by inserting a photo. Click on Web Address and paste in your link. And here you can see the variable. Just replace the first name variable to their name. Then you will see the image below. Insert it, and you can then send it to your client. Now you can also generate JavaScript for landing page. Click on the Generate button. You will see your JavaScript. Copy it, go to your landing page, and paste it there. Open your page source and paste your code into your landing page. Define your variable according to your campaign. This is your variable, where you can find here and also here. As you can notice, in between your variables, this symbol is a divider. If a variable value found in the URL, then put a divider before written value. And if not found, after divider will value show on the page. Or you can simply add variable in the page anywhere. And lastly, you can generate landing page URL. Just click on the Generate button, copy it, and paste it to your landing page. Then define your variable. And you will immediately see the changes here. The first name is now changed to Harry. If you remove the first name variable, then a first name will not be shown on your landing page. And if you add one, then you will see a name like so. You can also see the first name here because we have added a first name variable on this section. And again, if you remove it, it will be removed from this section also. And that is how your campaigns work on Sellitpics.
On your sidebar section, click on your templates. Here you have a button to watch tutorial videos available for Sellitpics. And as you can see, we don't have any templates yet. Click on this button to go to Templates page to create your own template. You can also check out pre-established templates on the sidebar section. You have a Templates button for it. Now you can choose the template you want, and you have a button to create a campaign and edit the template. So let me choose this one and click on Edit Template. Now in creating a template, the general HTML structure is the same throughout the template. Here's the title structure. Add in your template name and click on Next. Now you will be redirected to a template editor. And here's where you can edit all the components. Click on this container and select Add Variables. Then select what variables you want. For example, let me add in a last name. And let me add in the variables here. So what this will do is it will generate a first name and the last name of the person I will be sending this to. You can also edit this text. You can also move it around, resize it, or add some style. Let me, for example, change the background image. On the Style section, scroll down and you will see the background image. Click on it, and you can choose a file. When it's uploaded successfully, you will then see it on your screen. And from here, you can go ahead and resize your variables to get the right fit of your image. And by using this powerful editor, you can resize, change font, change the style, or the color of your text. And when it's done, just click on Save Template. And you will be notified that your template has been saved successfully. Going back to your Sellitpics, again click on your template section on the sidebar, and you will see the template that you have edited there. From here, you can create a campaign, make public, edit template, or delete the template. And that is how easy it is to set up your template in Sellitpics. On your sidebar section, click on Templates, where you will see all the pre-established templates, and you can click on this button to find tutorial videos about Sellitpics. Now it's currently selected as all, so you see all the templates we have. You can go through all the pages here. You can also choose templates by users. Or all the default templates. Now you can select one and create a campaign or edit it. And you can do it on each one. So let's try one for example. Let's create a campaign. In creating a campaign, enter in your campaign name. Then click on Add Campaign. And here on Edit Campaign, you will see the variables, landing page setting, content setting, the live preview, and the generate image buttons, and all the other settings. Going back to the template section, you can also edit the template. If you click on it, first you will need to enter in a template name. Then click on Next, and it will then take you to the template editor. Here's where you can edit the text, images, or add more variables. And when you're done, just click on the Save Template button. And it will then be added to your templates. And again, going back to the template section, if you're looking for a specific template, you can search it here on the search bar. And that is how easy it is to edit and use pre-established templates here on Sellitpics.
On the sidebar section, click on Requests. Then, up here, you will see a button to watch our tutorial videos if you ever need help on using Sellitpics. Now down below is your Requests section. Per page, it will show you 15 entries out of all your entries. It is listed by campaign name, the date it was created on, the request type, request link, and request clicked. Then if you want to go see the next page, just click here. If you're looking for a certain campaign, you can search it here on the search bar. You can either type the date, or the request type. You can also add filters. You can filter it through campaign names, request type, date, or the request clicked. For example, I choose the second campaign. Now it will show me all the campaigns that are named as second campaign. Now you can add more filters. Now let me add in a date. It will then show me all the campaigns named as second campaign and was created on the 19th of October 2021. Again, you can add more filters, multiple if you want. And that is how your request section works.
Outreach marketing is really hot right now, guys, and people are sending their prospects messages every day trying to sell their products, land clients for their services. And I can tell you that it works, but the biggest problem in outreach marketing is this. Look at this message that I got today, for example. It's got a lot of content, so much text that it's overwhelming, and I'm not gonna bother reading it at all. Like most people who receive these messages, they just don't bother reading these generic messages because it's just too much text and there are so many things to attract the attention. This prospect is never going to land a client this way. What you need to do is attract the attention in the first 2 seconds. If you can attract the attention of your prospect in the first 2 seconds, you might land a deal. You might get a reply, but not with messages like this. That's why when you're going to do outreach marketing, you got to do something different, something that breaks this pattern. And my new software, Sellitpics, is just the thing for you. See the difference for yourself. So I have it illustrated right on the sales page. I'm going to show you the difference that Sellitpics can do for your business. So here is a generic outreach message, the kind of, the one that we saw earlier. This is on Facebook, and you see it, you might respond to it, you might not respond to it. It's not something that you're particularly interested in, but look at this. Here is the same message with Sellitpics. This time you're addressing the person by name. It's in big, bold letters. People see their name right away and they see your call to action, your main pitch right away. What's going to happen? When you see your name, when you see something that prominently is about you, you are going to pay attention. You are going to give it more thought. This versus this. You know what's the winner? You can do the same thing on LinkedIn. Take a look at this. This is the generic message, not getting a response, and this is Sellitpics. Now imagine this. Imagine getting outreach messages like this. Imagine sending outreach messages like this. People who say this, they will be interested. They're going to read the entire message and they're going to actually be intrigued enough to click on it and go to your landing page. And this is the second amazing thing about Sellitpics. You don't need to have a link in text that nobody clicks. This entire image is a link. This entire image is a link. When you click on it, you get taken to the landing page right away. You can even do it in emails, not just in Facebook and LinkedIn. You can send emails with personalized messages. Look at this plain text email. It's not going to do it's not going to create an amazing difference. And even if you put a graphic in it, it'll just be more attractive, but it will not be personalized. But with Sellitpics, you can have emails like this. An email that addresses the person by name in the image to all your subscribers. You got 10,000 subscribers, no problems. 10,000 people get unique images by their names, with their names, unique personalized images without you having to do anything at all. It just happens like magic. Imagine how much more conversion will you get from this email. Imagine how much more click-through rate will you get. How much more interest will you generate? And once people open this mail, you're going to get more inboxing too, because when more people open your emails, you're going to inbox more often. It's a proven truth. So this can help your marketing go to the next level, guys. And that's not all. Here is the most amazing thing. When people click on their link, on your link from your Facebook message or from your LinkedIn message or from your email, they're taken to a landing page that is not generic like this one, but 100% personalized like this one. James, you have the person's name on the landing page. You have the person's name on the buttons, and you can even have images on the page featuring the person's name. And this is not just limited to the person's name, guys. Personalization to any level. You can have their name, their number, their city, their company, their profession. For example, hi James, how's it? How's the chartered accountant business for you? Would you like to get more customers? Something that can motivate them even more. So it can be personalization to the extreme, and it becomes very, very easy with Sellitpics on Facebook, on LinkedIn, in emails, and on landing pages. It's extreme personalization, and this is the difference you need to make sales. So guys, look forward to getting Sellitpics from me. It's coming to you very, very soon. Another high quality Technic Force project that people will love. It's something that everybody needs right now. This market is all about outreach. We've got small time marketers who are trying to run a business online, who are trying to make profit online. And we've got a lot of agencies, businesses who are trying to get more businesses to use their services. And this can be used in an amazing manner for local businesses. Think realtors, think service agents, think website designers. Any service provider will love this product.